You know what there are too many of on YouTube? Actually useful how-to guides. There's way too many. Let me teach you how not to mod your mechanical keyboard. Step 1. Get yourself a mechanical keyboard you're willing to mod. Something cheap, hopefully, something with low risk. I've got this old mechanical keyboard. It's black with Cherry Max black switches. Sucks. It's been sitting on my shelf for 2 years collecting dust. It's full of my dead cat's fur and my new cat's fur and my own skin and hair. Disgusting. Prime candidate for a nice, beautiful makeover. We're gonna turn this keyboard from Susan Boyle to Taylor Swift. Step 2, get your tools. The tool you're gonna need is a Swiss Army knife with hopefully a screwdriver on it.
Just to tighten up the wires, a Swiss Army knife which hopefully has a Phillips head screwdriver in it.
People who get it will get it. Spray paint, the wrong kind, absolutely the wrong kind. Lens caps to protect your cameras, a pair of headphones, a bunch of alcohol, and sandpaper is optional because we're not going to use it. Clean your damn keyboard because you're serious, so you want to do it properly. The guide online says you gotta get rid of the finger oils on the keyboard. So take out all the keycaps, you take out the PCB, you clean it. Clean the case, clean it thoroughly. This will be the most professional thing you ever do in this whole process. So do it properly, clean it thoroughly, and you're satisfied with your result? Good. Leave it out to dry, let it sit in the sun for a while. Chill out under the heat as you roast in 40 degrees Celsius temperature. You might be wondering, why didn't you use sandpaper? Well then, that would be the right thing to do, and we're not in the business of doing things correctly here, we're in the business of screwing it up. Spray paint. Just use the wrong kind of spray paint for the wrong kind of plastic. This one's meant for, I don't really know what, just spray. Go to town and just hammer away. Spray paint. And then finally, realize the flaw in your plan. You were spray painting in a goddamn windy area and everything has flown all over the place. Your floor's covered in paint, your white keycaps are covered in pink paint, your pink keycaps are covered in white paint, your white keyboard is not so pristine anymore, the smooth surface is not really that smooth, there's puddles of paint building up on each keycap like a little pimple that you just gotta poke. And the next step is accept that you failed. But the thing is, in art, go all the way. You see, in art, if you fail, just exaggerate the failure and call it intentional. Because art is all about intention. And if you said that the whole terrible shtick was intentional, suddenly you're Jason Pollock. You're the best impressionist of all time. Perfect. So let's amplify it. Start putting that red paint on the white paint on the red, and some little bits of paint on the non-painted ones. And then when you put the keycaps back in, put everything back together, put it out of order. Make sure it doesn't make sense. If it makes sense, you're screwing up because you're not screwing up enough. Put everything out of order, jumble it, paste a sticker on the shift key, goddammit, and boom, the final product. I present to you the Yeezy Keyboard 7000 V2.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Hey, in all honesty, if you guys did enjoy that little kind of how not to guide, which is actually based on me screwing up this mechanical keyboard, if you did enjoy that, I found it kind of like an interesting idea, please like and subscribe. You know how I do be on the YouTubes. Like and subscribe, and comment some good things so the algorithm boosts my video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Follow me on Instagram and Discord if you want to see behind the scenes of these kind of things. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.